This simulation demonstrates our software-in-the-loop environment using the gazebo simulator. To ensure a consistent and fair evaluation, the target trajectory remains identical across all trials, with the pursuit drone deployed exactly 30 seconds after the target takes flight. In this first sequence, we evaluate four benchmark algorithms: proportional navigation, sliding mode control, classic MPC, and optimal guidance law. As observed, none of these algorithms successfully intercept the target within 30 seconds window. The following sequence introduces our proposed method utilizing adaptive MPC, which achieves interception in just 8 seconds. This replay at 0.5 playback speed demonstrates the high precision of the pursuit drone as it successfully intercepts the target.